Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss how to divide a number by 10, 100 and 1000. So as we have discussed about multiplying a number by 10, 100 and 1000, we move the decimal point to the right, but here we move it to the left. So divide by 10, take 9. If I don't see a decimal point, there is always a decimal point hiding at the right end, and it moves, because it is 10, it has 1 0, it moves one place to the left. So it becomes 0.9, which is nothing but 0.9. And here the 25.8 divided by 10, move the decimal place one place to the left, so it becomes 2.58. Now take the next one, which is divided by 100. It is 0.3. Here also the decimal point moves left, but 2 places. So 0.3 moves 1 place and 2 place. The point is here, we fill the gaps with 0. So this becomes 0.003. Take another one, 42.6. It moves 2 places when I divide by 100, 1 place, 2 place. It becomes 0.426. I write a 0 to the left. Divide something by 1000, moves 3 places, 9.1, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. You fill these gaps with 0. So it becomes, this is my new point, so it's 0.0091. So you take 80, there is no decimal point seen, so it is hiding at the right end, moves 3 places to the left, 1, 2 and 3. So fill the gaps with 0, so it becomes 0. This is my new point, 0.080, or I can write 0.08. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.